Good afternoon, WestCon. I am student meteorologist Zachary Duhaime with the forecast update for the last Wednesday in October. Unfortunately, we have lots of clouds out there, temperatures in the low to mid 60s, so on the cooler side than we have been over the past few days. And a cooler end to the week is likely, with temperatures only probably in the mid to upper 50s come the day on Thursday, a little bit warmer by Friday and Saturday. Also, increase the chance for some nice weather with sunny and dry conditions, but quickly changes. We have a big storm that's going to approach by Sunday and Monday, and expect lots of rain and wind with this scenario coming up again late weekend and into early next week. But talk about heavy rainfall. Look how much rain fell just east of Danbury area yesterday. We're talking about almost 5 inches of rain just south of Waterbury, so a lot of rainfall and a big band just set up. It went from pretty much south to north across this entire area. Danbury, though, only 0.87 of an inch of rain, so still enough to put a dent in that drought. But overall, it was just east of us where we saw the massive rain, with lots of flash flooding reported around 9-10 p.m. last night in that location. So where the rain is now is way off to the east, Cape Cod, Maine. This big band of rain just stretching from south to north, impacting their region. A few showers in eastern Connecticut. Danbury, it looks worse than it is. I don't think we're seeing anything falling from the sky. That's going to be the case for the next about 24 to 36 hours. The satellite does show that big swath of clouds from south to north, and that's where your front is installed. And the low pressure is going to kind of form along here and right around it tomorrow. And that's what's going to cause a chance for maybe a pop shower in the afternoon. But overall, not expecting much in the way of rainfall. But one thing we are expecting, a much cooler feel tomorrow. Highs only in the mid to upper 50s likely, so a lot cooler than we have been, which actually is where we should be. So this is pretty much normal for this time of year. But in a cloudy sky, it's going to feel a lot more of a raw feel out there for the day on Thursday. Friday and Saturday is nice. Sunday, not so much. I want to make it clear the timing of the rain is not going to be exact. This is 4 or 5 days out, but just get the gist of where the rain is going to set up. We have a band of heavy rain at some point on Sunday afternoon, Sunday evening. I'm going to advance it one more time. Forecast for 7 p.m. again. Do not focus on the time, but just focus on the very heavy rain. Low pressure is going to move right over Connecticut by Sunday into Monday. Expect gusty winds and heavy rainfall from probably mid to late day Sunday right through mid to late day on Monday. That's the time frame right now. Looks like this nasty storm to impact the area. Tonight's forecast, mid-40s, so on the cooler side compared to what we have been. Mostly cloudy, light northwest wind, 5 to 10 miles per hour. Tomorrow's forecast, cooler than today. You're going to feel a lot more chilly out there. Also with the northwest wind gusting to 20 miles per hour. So definitely you want to wear a coat if you're working outside or anything tomorrow. Could be a pop shower in a few towns, but I think eastern Connecticut is the best chance. We're in western Connecticut, so I think we're spared from the worst of the rain. And your 5-day forecast, Thursday is the transition day. Friday and Saturday, much better, sunny and dry. Could be some afternoon clouds on Saturday, and that's an advancement with that big storm for Sunday into Monday. Again, the exact time is unsure, but we're increasing likely for the threat of heavy rain and gusty winds between Sunday afternoon and some point on Monday, and then probably much cooler later on, early on next week, which also will lead us into the Halloween forecast. I am student meteorologist Zachary Duhaime. Have a great rest of your week.